Welcome to my studio. Hey guys, today we are going to be making butters. Now this is one of the most popular videos that I have on my YouTube channel, and that video is old. So I decided, you know what? We're going to be making our cocoa caramel frosted buttercream. That is a limited edition product available in our holiday gift boxes. And you guys, I think you guys are going to enjoy why I make it and tell you all of the amazing benefits that you're going to get for your hair, or if you decide to use it on your skin, all right, by making this product. So the first butter that we'll be using will be coconut butter. Now this is not a very popular butter, but it is very popular with me because it is such an amazing butter. It's one of the more expensive butters, and it's great for dry, damaged hair, and it helps to strengthen your hair. Next up, we have cocoa butter. Did you know that cocoa butter helps to prevent premature graying? It also inhibits hair loss, and it's rich in vitamin E. And this thing smells straight up like chocolate, and I am here for it. Shea butter is rich in fatty acids, and it helps with keeping your hair soft and moisturized. Of all of the butters that I'm using today, this one is the softest. Its nutrients are important for maintaining a healthy scalp and healthy hair. So my soft butters are going into my mixer straight away, and then I'm gonna melt down my hard butters on low heat to maintain all of their properties. I slowly add both butters together, and then I'm going to mix them in so that they can fully incorporate. I then follow up by adding my oils and my essential oils and fragrances to this mix to make it a complete product. If you have type 4 hair like me, you know that your hair is naturally dry. What butters do, they seal the moisture into your hair so that your hair keeps moisturized for longer. So what I like to do is I like to apply a butter as my last step in my moisturizing process. The first thing I do, I apply a leave-in conditioner to my hair, then a moisturizer, and I follow up with the butter to seal that moisture into my hair. That has proven to keep my hair moisturized and soft for days. This is the final process of this butter. This is how it looks in its final form, I should say. It is so rich, creamy, and luxurious. So guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and if you've made it this far, that means you deserve to enter into our giveaway. I didn't tell you this at the beginning, but one of you is gonna win one of these. So you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on my socials, comment down below 5 days of Christmas giveaways, and one of you is gonna win your very own limited edition cocoa caramel frosted buttercream.